I just crashed my drone in the water. This is, I think, the most clickbait title I will have on my channel. I'm not doing that for basically making a clickbait video, but yeah, I just crashed my drone into the lake. It happened at takeoff when I was like starting the drone. It was near the lake and I made a mistake and it crashed inside. If you arrived on this video because of the clickbait title, well, I don't have the footage of it. That's the area where I crashed it, if you wanna know. Just after, like, I took a towel, dried out. Then I started off just, you know, like turn on the fan to extract whatever humidity. It worked, stabilization worked, like, you know, fly well. But then I had to land it. The battery seems dead, but I will wait that the battery dried a bit more. However, now the gimbal start to smoke. I cannot say if the gimbal is dead, but when an electronic equipment start to smoke, I consider it soon dead. The gimbal was not stabilizing. I was not surprised on that one. It's very thin motors and whatever, so I was like, okay. But that it start to smoke, for me seems that it's still alive, let's say like that. But let's see when it dries. To go back to civilization is gonna be a bit difficult. I'm really off trail, and now it's sunset, so if I go, like, I really went through bushes, so if I go right now I'm gonna more get lost. So I'm gonna try to enjoy the rest of the evening. I got some nice footage though of the lake because I took some drone flight before, so at least that. I think I will have like to make a break right now on the hike and focus a bit more on getting some money and get the drone repaired or buy a new one. And that's not cheap equipment. But don't worry, you're gonna still have some content. I still have 3 months of video that are not edited. If you're new on that channel, if you come because you had the drone title and you just wanted to basically see how I did that. If you look for my channel, like, adding the drone is adding a new dimension to my videos, and to basically show how nature in Sweden is pretty amazing, and usually the drone give a whole new perspective on where I'm going. So I definitely want one in my package. Drone was not the part of the expenses plan, but I guess I will have to make it part of the expenses plan, so fine. Oh my god, at least the sunset is pretty amazing and there is no rain. At least that. If by miracle I manage to fix it myself, I definitely will do another video. But right now, well, let's see the bright side of it. That's just gear. That's just gear. So I should not make too much a big deal out of it. It's just money. It's tool for my work. I used it, fine. Now I have to fix it. On this note, hope you enjoy anyway the channel. Have a good day, get outdoors, and bye bye.